स्टोरी है पॉपुलेशन के जीवन को प्रभावित करती है। जिस
जरूरत होती है तो हम राज्यों को भी सहयोग करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
ऑनरेबल मेंबर
అధికారులు ఇప్పుడు ఆర్గనైజింగ్ గ్రూప్ ఏ సర్వీస్ గుర్తించారు. అందువలన ఇతర ఆర్గనైజ్ సర్వీస్ రూల్స్ వారికి క్యారియర్ ప్రయోజనం మరియు క్యాడర్ రివ్యూకి సంబంధించిన హక్కులు లభిస్తున్నాయి. అయినప్పటికీ సార్ గత కొన్ని సంవత్సరాలుగా బలవంతం ప్రమోషన్ నెమ్మదిగా మరియు సీనియారిటీ పోస్ట్ పరిమితి వంటి సమస్యలు వెలుగులోకి వచ్చాయి. ఈ సమస్యలను గమనించి గవర్నీయ సుప్రీంకోర్టు సీనియారిటీ లెవెల్ సిబ్బంది నియమకాన్ని సమీక్షించాలని సూచించింది. మరియు 2025 మేలో సెంట్రల్ ఆర్మీ పోలీస్.
All right, so what we are witnessing right now, viewers, is ruckus in Parliament. Massive ruckus, in fact, in Parliament, and those are the first set of pictures we are bringing to you at this point in time. And what we have also learned is that there were surrender Modi slogans that were being hurled by the opposition in the Lok Sabha earlier today. And there you can see most of the opposition members there storming, the well of the House. Most of them can be seen standing, and they were creating ruckus and raising slogans. Surrender Modi slogans, in fact, were hurled by the opposition in the Lok Sabha. Now, this comes after India and the United States of America signed the historic trade deal after negotiations that went on for about 1 year. Let me go back to my colleague Pragya, who continues to be live with us at this point in time. Pragya, this is pretty much on the expected lines with the kind of reactions we started seeing from the opposition late last night. This is something we all expected would happen in the Lok Sabha. Can you bring us up to speed with exactly what happened?
So basically, the opposition wanted a fine print and, in fact, the details of the deal. And, in fact, Manickam Tagore has also put adjournment motion to speak about and to discuss the deal and what is it about. Because opposition believes that there are many questions that have been left unanswered. When you compared Mr. Trump's post to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's post. But it looks like that the opposition is not yet ready to understand that, this is a deal that has large repercussions for India. And, in fact, these repercussions are going to be in a positive light. What they are questioning is whether we are buying oil or not buying oil from Russia, and also whether we are going to buy energy from America or not, and what are the kind of conditions that have been put on India by US. And in fact, this is the point that they wanted to highlight, saying that India bow down to US. This is the sentiment that is coming from the opposition. But what they forget is that this is a very huge negotiation that went on for, I would say, almost more than a year. And in fact, looking at the economy of US, the kind of deal that has been struck, it is a very huge, a kind of deal as far as India is concerned. And in fact, India's is the lowest tariff among many other countries. When you compare to likes of China, Vietnam, and in fact, in a competitive world, in a competitive market, it becomes very important for everyone to see where the profit lies. So in a way, India has ensured that its manufacturers will get huge markets. It will get benefit from US. And in fact, even if that would mean, the negotiations would always mean that you compromise on some things and we compromise on some things. But government has already made it clear, no agriculture, no dairy product, no compromise on that. And government has stuck to that point.
Well, absolutely. But, the people clearly are looking forward to the fine print now, the details, and questions, of course, remain unanswered. And as we speak, viewers, the latest update is that Lok Sabha has been adjourned till 12 o'clock after it witnessed massive ruckus by the opposition. So soon after the proceedings began for the day, the budget session currently is underway. We saw massive ruckus and surrender Modi slogans, in fact, were hurled by the opposition as well. Let's go back to Pragya, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Pragya, yesterday we did see several ministers from the Indian government side, starting with Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, Union Minister Piyush Goyal, and then many others started talking about how this is a historic turning point for India as far as this particular trade deal is concerned. And rightly so, because just in January, we signed the mother of all deals, the India-EU FTA, and now in February, we have signed the India-US trade deal as well. Something like that looked a bit uncertain over the last few months. But now the question really is, what about buying oil from Russia? Have we actually given a commitment that we will not be buying Russian oil at all? Or is it that we are also buying more American oil, and that's the reason why now there is a sense of comfort and agreement that has come?
Hina, I spoke to Petroleum Minister today speaking about the oil, and in fact, the comment that he gave me is that it is being warmly received. And, the details of whether we will be buying oil from Russia or not is yet to be, explained by the government. But the sentiment that I'm getting from the ministry is that we are buying Russian oil, and in fact, we will buy oil from wherever we get it cheaper. And that is the sentiment, because that is also in the national interest, and we need to also, keep a tab on the rates of the oil and petroleum products that we buy. It would certainly, definitely would mean that we will be buying more energy from America. And that is, the government has been saying that for some time as well. In fact, when last time negotiations took place, India said that we are going to buy more energy from America, and we are ready to do that, considering that they come on the negotiating table. So as far as oil is concerned, it is pretty clear that we are going to buy more from America, but whether we will stop buying from Russia, it looks, impossible right now, because there is a quota also, and there is also the oil that comes from, in two segments as well. So it will obviously, even if we want to stop it, it will take almost a year. But
I'm just interrupting you there. Request you to stay on with us. We have